Is your iPhone photo library looking a little bare, and you suspect your precious memories are trapped in the iCloud abyss? Let's dive into how to restore those photos from iCloud back onto your iPhone in just a few easy steps. Starting with confirming iCloud Photos is actually enabled. Open your iPhone Settings app. Tap on your name or Apple ID at the very top of the screen. Next, select iCloud. Then, tap on Photos. Make sure the iCloud Photos toggle is switched on. It should be green if it's off. That's likely why your photos aren't on your device. Turn it on. Before we continue, let's check your iCloud storage. If you're running out of space, your photos might not be syncing properly. Return to the iCloud settings screen where you selected photos and look at the storage bar at the top. If it's full or nearly full, tap Manage Storage and consider upgrading your iCloud plan or freeing up space by deleting unnecessary files. Now, with iCloud Photos enabled and sufficient storage available, your photos should begin downloading automatically. Open your Photos app, and you should see thumbnails gradually transforming into full-resolution images. If the download seems slow, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and that your iPhone is charging. A weak connection or low battery can slow down the process. You might also see a message at the bottom of the Photos app saying downloading from iCloud. Still not seeing your photos? Try restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve minor syncing issues. If problems persist, ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings General Software Update to check for updates. By following these steps, you'll have your cherished photos back on your iPhone in no time. Enjoy your memories.